Hello, welcome to iREAP OS. In this video, we want to provide a tutorial on how to connect this Bluetooth barcode scanner, the Panda barcode scanner type PRJ-BT-888-1D USB. Okay, before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. First, open the manual and look for the barcode labeled Bluetooth HID mode. To activate the Bluetooth on the Panda barcode scanner, we need to scan this barcode. Then, to connect it to your phone, look for the barcode called pair method, then scan it. The light will start blinking. Next, open your phone and turn on the Bluetooth. Look for the Bluetooth name barcode scanner HID. Then, if a pop-up like this appears, select Pair. Now, the Panda barcode scanner is connected to your phone. To test if it's working, try opening the Notes app on your phone. Then try scanning an item. If the barcode number appears, it means the scanner is connected to your Android phone. Now, we will try making a transaction using the barcode scanner in iREAP Pro. Open your iREAP Pro app. Click the Sales menu. Click the plus icon on the top right corner. Click the three-dot icon on the top right corner. Select Open or Close Barcode. Then we will see the barcode icon here. Try clicking on the barcode or description row. Let's try scanning the item. If we scan twice, the item quantity will automatically increase. After finishing the scan, click the Pay Cash button. To learn how to connect a Bluetooth printer to the iREAP app, you can check our video from the link in the top right corner or the link in the description. Okay, thank you for watching our video until the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and share this video with your friends.